In this video, we will show you how to build an off-grid generator. Being able to generate your own electricity without relying on the main power grid can provide you with independence and security. Whether you are living in a remote area or simply want to have a backup power source, an off-grid generator is a reliable solution. The first step in building an off-grid generator is careful planning. Determine your power needs and the type of generator that suits your requirements. Consider the appliances and devices you want to power, as well as the duration of power outages you expect to experience. This information will help you decide the capacity and specifications of the generator. Next, you need to select the components for your off-grid generator. This includes choosing the right generator model, batteries, charge controller, inverter, and cables. Make sure to research and opt for high-quality components that meet your power and efficiency requirements. It's also important to consider the maintenance and longevity of the components. Once you have all the necessary components, it's time to install your off-grid generator. Begin by placing the generator in a well-ventilated area, away from any flammable materials. Connect the battery to the charge controller, and then connect the charge controller to the inverter. Finally, connect the inverter to your home's electrical panel, ensuring the proper wiring and grounding. Follow the manufacturer's instructions and guidelines throughout the installation process. After the installation is complete, it's crucial to test your off-grid generator to ensure everything is working correctly. Check for any potential issues or malfunctions. Create a maintenance schedule to keep your generator running smoothly and efficiently. Regularly inspect the components, clean them if necessary, and replace any worn-out parts. By performing routine maintenance, you can extend the lifespan of your generator. Building an off-grid generator provides you with the ability to generate electricity even when the main power grid fails. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can create a reliable and efficient off-grid power system. Enjoy the independence and peace of mind that comes with having your own off-grid generator.